Welcome back, and this is C++ headers, and we're going to be going over headers. So basically, we'll get rid of all this stuff from the tutorial. What headers are these things right here at the top, and what we need them for are to reference different types of code. So throughout, going through C++, you'll run into different types of header files that are used for different things. For one, they're used to create different classes. So when you have more than one class or more than one file, you can store different classes in different files. So instead of saying class and making the class in this file, you can actually make a different file on how it's with a class in it. So I'll make a video on that later on, but for now, that's basically what it is. So when you're using a header, you're just referencing to something that is either a class or just basically a library of code or something that allows you to use code. And basically the best place to use it, or I mean not to use it, but to go, is C++ leaf.org. Let me pull it up here. So here's the website. I got to the library part. If you go to c++.com, you go down to reference and see library. You can see all the headers right here, and if you click on them, it'll show you what they are. CMath, for example, is used when you're using these functions right here. So, for example, exponential functions, exp, if you're raising to the power, POW, POW, SQRT for square root, CBRT for cube root, and all these different types of functions that you can use. You have to use the CMath include file, which is done just like this. Include CMath, and then just as it said in the website, so we can try to use square root. We'll just say cout SQRT like it said, and then just say 16. And we should get 4 back in the program, and we can see we got 4. So that's just an example of what a header file is. And again, you can go to the c++.com to reference all of the different libraries and different functions that you can use, such as square root and power, POW, and then stuff like that. What else was there? CBRT for cube root. So basically, you can reference different types of functions like this using different header files, and there's tons of different header files in C++ that you can learn about by going to c++.com. I'll put the link in the description to the page that I was just on, and I'll also put a link to the page of the original c++.com website. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.